You're kidding me. You're kidding. Oh, this is scary.
Scary? Need some momentum.
Oh! Perfect landing.
Oh, you.
Alright guys, so I got this temp gauge. Let's see what it says. Beep beep. Hey, 212, not too bad. Well guys, that was a little bit disappointing. So it turns out, you know, on that jump, that last jump that I was hoping to hit, ended up running out of fuel. So, you know, that's a bummer. Gotta order some fuel now. Yeah, but when this thing was going up the hill, it just starved from fuel, and, you know, right at the top, it just couldn't get enough to, you know, jump over. We were so close and just couldn't get up the hill. But it's all fun with the LST. We actually beat this thing up pretty badly on that loop-de-loop. That loop-de-loop was pretty dangerous with this thing just because of how heavy it is, and I couldn't really get good traction with the tires, so steering's pretty much pointless, and throwing it down also, I don't even know where it's gonna go. Yeah, but I was hoping to hit that jump because I wanted to hit that in last video, but unfortunately we, you know, burned out the wheels. If you guys missed last video, I'll link it right up here. You can go ahead and check it out. But just like last video, we ended up burning out the hub and the wheel, you know, kind of went flying off. It was pretty funny. What's different from last time, I actually brought my wrench. So in between, you know, passes, I tightened the wheel down. So thankfully, you know, didn't fly off again. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. The LST is actually not too damaged. Just got a little scratch and bent up. Of course, the cage got bent, but that protects the thing, so it's meant to do that. But then my little rear link broke off, so I kind of just shoved it up there. But I glued this hub down, so it actually doesn't really move. So that might be the plan. Just glue the hubs down and maybe they'll stop breaking. But that'll be all for me, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check out the other videos of the LST and the Truggy. The factory's wide open for us today, so we can definitely get a lot more bashing in. So stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Looks like I'm back, everyone. I'm editing the video, and I did not notice this until now. Just gonna give you a little update of, you know, what I found. Yeah. So, thank you so much for watching. I've had enough. I'm done.